Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. This video will discuss how homeopathic medicines help hemorrhoids or piles problem. Piles is a difficult problem. It's a recurring problem, and sometimes it comes back again and again, even after operations or even antibiotics or selected medicines does not work. So in that case, your homeopathic remedies can be very helpful, very friendly, and without any side effect, it can help you and heal the problem. So it's straightforward. This I'll just discuss a few of the medicines. There's a lot of medicines available, but few of the medicines are very common and helpful. So we'll discuss on that. So first of all, let us know what happens when there is a piles problem. And there's like in the anus or rectum, there's a lot of pain, swelling, bleeding, burning sensation. Sometimes the rectum swell and come out and prolapse of rectum, and there is like ulcerative things or pain whole day. Sometimes it's pain for sometimes, and sometimes it's drip blood, or sometimes it is just blind, is no bleeding but pain and swelling. There's a lot of problem, and especially with a hard stool is a difficult thing. If you have hard stool, it will cause a lot of problem, added problem. So that in case of hemorrhoids, you should take all the precautions and take such food that it doesn't cause the hard stool. Especially avoid red meat and dark meat, some lentil, and take more vegetables, salads, fruits, a lot of water to drink, so that it will remain soft. And psyllium husk also very helpful, so that it will remain soft, so that it doesn't hurt and pain during the defecation, and no problem. Even the hemorrhoids are there, it will be easier. And so let's discuss what medicines are very useful for these hemorrhoids. There are more than 12 medicines are very definitely useful, but even more. Common are 12 medicines are very common, but out of that I'll just discuss very necessary 4 of them, so that you know and you can get help from this. Your homeopath, you can discuss, you can go to your nearby homeopath, talk to him and collect these medicines, and then can get cured from this recurring troublesome problem of these hemorrhoids. So first of all, the Naksh Bhumika. Naksh Bhumika is a medicine. The name and the Naksh Bhumika, when the stool you cannot pass easily, to sit, constipation with pain and difficulty, and again and again feel like going to toilet but cannot clear the bowel easily. And so the Naksh Bhumika will be a great help, especially with irritability, angry kind of person. It will be very helpful, who are studying a lot or doing all the mind distressing things. Naksh Bhumika is very useful to them. It will remove the pain and the swelling and even bleeding. It can remove. So the first you can start in a series. I'll just talk about 4 medicines. If it is given in a series, of course, this can be hemorrhoids can be resolved. So Naksh Bhumika is number 1. You can buy small pills from your homeopathic doctor or homeopathic store, and you must discuss with your homeopath first before taking, because he or she can guide you better, and then you take the medicines. Say you buy very small bottles, 3 ml pills, Naksh Bhumika 200 potency, 3 pills 3 times, 3 pills 3 times a day, and finish this bottle, and you see where you have stand. If it is gone, very good. If it's not, you just get the next one. Is called sulfur 200. So you can buy these medicines, sulfur 200. Once Naksh Bhumika dose is given, you can buy 3 ml of pills, small bottles, and you can take 3 to 4 pills 3 times a day. Shake in a little bit of water, like 10 ml water, shake, and then take this medicine, empty stomach every day. But discuss before getting the medicine starting. Just talk to your homeopath, then you take this, and that is more helpful, so that you are not doing anything away from the principles. Then sulfur 200, 3 to 4 pills 3 times a day. And when this finish, maybe your problems will be gone, or if it is still there, the next in a series will come the Aesculus hippocastenum. The name is a little longer, but Aesculus hippocastenum is 200. You can have this same style of number 2, just 3 to 4 pills 3 times a day, empty stomach, and shake with a little bit water and take. When this small bottle also finish, if still something remain, you can go for calcarea floor 200. So that same style of number, all other medicines. When this dose is 4 medicine doses finished, most probably 70-80% of the people will get cured from this piles problem. If it's still there, maybe you can go one more cycle of this dose. If it's still there, maybe you can ask your homeopath to go further high potency for this, or if any other medicines required like Paeonia officinalis or acidum nitricum or Thuja occidentalis, this might be needed. Your homeopath will be knowing. So first, these 4 initial medicines, this can help a lot, so that these 4 are very recurrently used homeopathic remedies, which can give you lot of advantage on piles problem, and you don't have to go for further operations and all these troublesome phases for this disease, and you will be more confident and don't get scared or feared, because so much of bleeding and all is make the patients scared a lot. So that if you try this 4, but before taking, you just talk to your homeopath to make sure that yes, it is perfective, because homeopathy is made for the person, is selected selectively. So in case your homeopath will be knowing and say okay, to give it or don't give it, like that. But these are the common 4 medicines which are very helpful, and it can really help in these hemorrhoid problems. Thank you very much. You can put your comments in this video. You put your comments. If you want to know something, you can just put in the comments. I can reply for you also. Thank you very much. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.